Hey, yo, brothers, it's a good day. We got a project bike, and we got some problems with it. So first off, don't run at the moment, but I got a plan to fix that. You know what I mean? So,
My younger self. Do not know why I was like this at all. I just was. But we know what you mean. So this is gonna be a multiple video series of fixing my 2001 KLX 300R. Let's get into it.
a stand. So, now I'm gonna get my work gloves on and a plier. Okay, so pretty much what the goal is I already forget what side I need to be on. The one thing I hate about this bike design is where they put the petcock, okay? So the petcock is right here. Here, I'll move it closer. The petcock is right there in the middle of all these wires, okay? So like, but when I'm trying to turn my bike on, fam, I'd be like juggling around all these wires just to turn it on. But we need to keep it off this step, right? So it's gonna be very time consuming trying to turn off my bike.
What you guys are about to see right here is a very, very good example of my irresponsibility. And I did not at all intend on saying this when recording, but now looking back, it sounds very, very wrong. So just be prepared. I'm disappointed in myself for this.
It's right there. So by far, I'm gonna be holding up everybody whenever we go out riding. Cause guess what? I gotta have a full-on playing set with my petcock. Cause all these wires. So me personally, this is a poorly designed idea of the carburetor. There's this wire. There's this cable. Show you guys. So this cable right here is what needs to come out. And this is gonna drain the gas, hypothetically. So, let's get it done. And if this is the wrong wire, my dad was right, I can't do crap. The one thing I'm liking about this bike, okay, this should work. If we get it on the pavement, we get it on the pavement. I mean, should be that big of a deal if you get it on the pavement. Gas washes away, but your heartbreak doesn't. Anyway, so every bike is different. There's a clamp on this one, and for this bike, they really made it so that working on it is freaking impossible. Oh. So we're draining it just like so. It smells pretty bad, but we're draining the gas tank down, and then put you guys back over here to make it drain faster. If you open up the lid, I heard it goes a bit fast. Alright boys, I got the lamps on me, so I can see better, so y'all can see better.